Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical Boost. Today we are going to solve another problem that related to RLC circuit. Okay, here the question given that in the given network find the voltage drop at AD branch. Okay, here the AD is that much branch, this is the A and this is the D. We need to find voltage drop across this. Okay, voltage drop across this A to D. Okay, so here see the loop 1, here we need to find voltage across AD. Okay, here see here the loop 1 current is not going through this loop. Okay, also here also loop 2 current also not flowing through any other branch. Okay, so here loop 1 and loop 2 are independent to each other, because here you can see this I1 current is flowing like that. There is no path to complete, so that the total I1 will flow in this direction. So here we can write here the loop 1 and loop 2 are independent, so no current will flow through this VC branch, this, or you can say no current flowing through J5 ohm, Okay, so voltage drop across VBC is zero. So VBC is equal to 0, because the total I1 will flowing like this, total I2 flowing like this. There is no current flowing to this J5 ohm. Okay, so VBC drop is 0. Okay, here first we choose we know the algebraic sum of the voltage drop. If we apply KVL here A to D, here the algebraic sum of VAD and VBC and VCD is the VAD. Okay, the VAD is the, here you can write VAD is the algebraic sum of voltage drop across VAB, VBC and VCD. Okay, for finding algebraic sum we need to make first polarity. Okay, here you can see the I1 current is flowing like this, so this is plus entering to the A point, leave from B, so that this is plus minus like that. Okay, here you can see there is voltage, there is no current, so this is 0. Okay, here the current is like this wise. Okay, so here the question given current is like in this direction or anti-clockwise, so this is plus and minus. Okay, so when we apply KVL, start from positive. Okay, so this VAD is equal to VAV plus VBC, then here the minus, so that this is minus polarity change minus VCD. Okay, this is the VAD equation for finding the VAD. Okay, so we need to find VAB. We already know VBC is 0 and we need to find VCD. Okay, for finding VAB, we need to first finding I1, then we find the drop across this impedance. Okay, So for finding I1, here I can write, okay, for finding I1, here the I1 is the total voltage divided the total impedance. Okay, so I1 is equal to 50, okay, angle 30 divided by 1 plus J2 plus 2, okay, this much. Okay, first of all need to convert these two in polar form. Okay, so this is happen, this is like 50 angle 30 degree is divided by this is how much, this is, we convert this in previously, so that this 3.74 angle 33.69, 33. This is, then we find the resultant, this is divided and this is subtracted. Okay, we already know about how to multiply and divide the complex number. Okay, 3.69 ampere, this is the I1 value. Next we find the VAB. VAB is the this much current into this impedance. So this is VAB is equal to I1 into ZAB. Okay, so this is equal to I1 is 13.36, okay, minus 3.69 into this is 1 plus J2, ZAV is equal to 1 plus J2, or you can convert, or you can write in, or in polar form, this is equal to how much, this is 2.23 angle 63.43. okay, so we put this I1 equal to 13.36 angle minus 3.69 into, for multiplication need to convert this to polar. Okay, 2.23 to 63.43. okay, this will be 29.79, okay, 29.79 angle 59.74. just we previously calculate this value. Okay, or we convert this to polar, this is make 15.01 plus J 25.73. okay, 25.73 voltage. okay, so next we need to find this VBC. we already know this is 0, then we need to find VCD. okay, this is VCD. here see, in VCD there is current will I2 will flowing. okay, so need to first find this I2 value. okay, we know this I2 is equal to this voltage 10 minus 20 divided by impedance, that loop 2 impedance, this let Z2. okay, here the Z2 is equal to how much, 4 minus J2. okay, 4 minus J2, or we can write in full form, this is 4.44, okay, sorry, 47 minus 26.56, okay, just put this value here, 10 angle minus 20 divided by 4.47 angle minus 26.56. okay, for calculating this we need find, this is equal to how much, this is equal to 2.23 angle 6.56. Okay, this ampere. Next we need to find voltage drop across VCD. Okay, this VCD is equal to this much resistance 4 into this much current 2.23 angle 6.56. Okay, next for finding this is the value. This is 8.948 angle 6.56. Okay, or we convert this to polar form. Okay, sorry, rectangular form. This is 8.88 plus J10.2. Okay, this is the VCD value. Okay, next we need to find VAD. Okay, here you can see the VCD is the algebraic sum of this. Okay, here current is like that. Okay, entering the flash. Okay, so this VAD, 1 minute, this VAD is equal to entering flash, so that VAB, this is plus VBC, then this is minus VCD. Okay, this is minus VCD. So you need to find the VAB value. This is VAB value is that much 15.01. Okay, just write VAB value. This is 15.01 plus J 25.73. okay, then VBC is 0, then minus that much value 8.88 plus J 1.02. 8.88 plus J 1.02. okay, this much. Then finally we got this is 6.93 plus J 2472. So always in addition we use rectangular form. For division and multiplication we need to polar form. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. If any doubt, please comment.